My name is Zach Shepard. I went to The Ohio State University in Columbus, Ohio, where I studied logistics management, and I started working at our Columbus office. Was there until about December of this past year, and they came to me and asked if I wanted to transfer to the Detroit office, and I of course said yes, and I've been there ever since. There's a couple real highlights of my main freight experience. Starting off in the Columbus office, the branch manager was just incredible. He's probably forgotten more about this business than I could ever hope to learn. And one of the first days I was there, I was out sweeping the dock trying to be helpful. He came out there in the middle of January, the winter time, with his coat on too, and helped me out on the dock. And it was just a really profound experience, because there's the branch manager, a gentleman who I'm sure had better things to do that afternoon than sweep the dock with me, but I think the fact that he showed that he's willing to get out there and do that just really spoke to me. And you develop these personal relationships with people, which is really cool, and they'll look out for you and you look out for them. It's just a wonderful experience. I can't describe the sense of camaraderie and friendship and support that you feel for your fellow team members. Do I see more moves in my future? Absolutely. There's so many opportunities within Main Freight. The world headquarters is in New Zealand, and there's offices all over Asia and Europe, so the opportunity, if you want the world experience, is out there. I'm excited for the future with Main Freight and look forward to growing with them.